How to fix dxgmms2.sys BSOD in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first step is update graphics driver. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand display adapters by clicking on this arrow mark. Here you can find AMD Radeon graphics, NVIDIA graphics, Intel graphics or some other on different computers. Whichever it is, right click on this device, select update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and close the window. Close the device manager and restart your computer. After restarting, check if the blue screen is fixed. Otherwise, again open device manager. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand display adapters, right click on the graphics card, select Update Driver. This time click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here you will find different versions of the graphics driver. Select the current one. Click on Next. The screen will blink momentarily. Restart your computer again and check if the issue is fixed. If the blue screen still persists, then again right click on the graphics card. Select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select the previous version of the graphics driver. Click on Next. Again, screen will blink for a few moments. Close the device manager and restart your computer. If the issue still occurs, then you will have to manually download the latest version of the graphics card and manually install it. For this, you can go to the NVIDIA website or AMD website using the links in the video description section. After downloading, open the setup file to install the driver. During installing, care for one thing. Suppose you are installing AMD driver. Click on this arrow to expand additional options and check the box for factory reset optional. This will delete the files of the previous versions of the driver. Then click on install. In the same way, if you are installing NVIDIA driver, you can see clean install option on the install window. Check the clean install option. The next step is disable hardware acceleration. Click on search, type regedit, click on registry editor, select yes on the user account control. Expand this entry by clicking on this arrow. Go to software, expand Microsoft, select avalon.graphics. Go to the right pane and right click anywhere, select new and click on divert 32-bit value. Name this value disable HW acceleration. Right click on this newly created divert value, select modify, enter 1 in the value data section and click on OK. If the disable HW acceleration divert is already available, then right click on this and modify and change the value data to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. The next step is repair system files. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, type sfc space / scannow, SCANNOW. Press enter. Let the verification and repairing 100% complete. Once completed, go to the video description, copy this command from there, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. If the issue still persists and is not being solved anyway, then you will need to clean install Windows 11. To perform clean install, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, go to create Windows 11 installation media and click on download now. Click on this media creation tool.exe file. Click on yes on user account control. Select accept for applicable notices and license terms. Click on next. Select ISO file and click on next. Choose a location where you want to download the ISO file. Click on save. After the ISO file is downloaded, right click on it, select mount, right click on setup.exe, select open, click on yes, click on next on the install Windows 11 window. Again click on accept. Click on install. Let the installation complete. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.